Want to sell low-ticket offers on autopilot? GoHighLevel makes it possible to turn small offers into a sales machine. Here is how. Think ebooks, mini courses, or templates. The goal isn't just profits, it's to build trust and get buyers into your ecosystem. Use the funnel builder to set up a sales page, order form, and upsell page. Keep it simple but persuasive. Inside GoHighLevel, connect your product delivery, whether it's a course membership, digital file, or training video. Automation ensures instant delivery after purchase. Low ticket is just a start. Add one-click upsells, tripwires, or even a booking page for a strategy call to move buyers up your value ladder. Use email and SMS workflows to keep engaging buyers, build relationships, and guide them towards your high-ticket offers. And that's how to turn GoHighLevel into a low-ticket sales machine. Get buyers fast, build trust, and grow your revenue. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.